Hello YouTube! In this video I'll show you how to remove the original head unit from a Mitsubishi Colt. To do this, you'll need a removal tool. You can either buy a dedicated tool set or simply use some sheet metal cut to size. I used a removal tool that came with an aftermarket head unit I bought in the past, and the metal bit seemed to fit well for this task. Insert the tool into the slot on the head unit. As you push them in, you'll feel them slide between the spring clips, which releases the locking mechanism. Once the tools are inserted, you can usually just pull on the handles to slide the head unit out. However, in my case, the metal tabs weren't holding properly and the head unit wouldn't budge. So, I used an old credit card to protect the dashboard and gently pry the head unit out from the sides with a small flathead screwdriver. This method worked well, allowing me to remove the head unit without damaging the trim or dashboard. Once the head unit is pulled out, simply disconnect all the connectors and that's it. The head unit is completely removed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye.